Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I got the free gas Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSL Ride 255. You know, tune in for another one. Went to the freight. Y'all got excuse my voice, man. Went to the freight, picked up this Boom steering wheel remover kit. This is what's gonna be needed to install the ignition lock cylinder on our C10. As you know, we got the keys in last week, so now we gonna have to remove the steering wheel, you know, all this good Google gobble stuff, you know what I'm saying, so that we can, you know, so we can get that taken apart and get that installed. So it's about 36 bucks. Use a 20% off coupon. It drops right below 20 or right below 30, like $2-3 tax. Then all you have left is like maybe a little bit over 30, like 30 and some change or something like that. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna be getting into here in the next one. It comes with different size cap screws, 3 of them to be exact, steering wheel bolt, snap ring bolt, flat washer, a nut, forcing screw with yoke, and the lock plate attachment. So yeah, man, these are the tools that we need to get that done. So it's a good thing for the arsenal, man. You know, I mean, I don't foresee me removing any more steering wheels, but I mean, I do got 1, 2, 3 old schools. I like my wood wheels, but you know, you never know. Like, you might have to change out the lock cylinder for some reason, lose the key, something like that. So make sure you tune in to the next one, and we're gonna get this thing broke down. It's your boy LSL Ride 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make them your strengths. Gone.